Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about Deepseek that China has developed the best alternative of ChatGPT. As we know, ChatGPT is the best platform to generate any type of content using AI. So now let's search for Deepseek and press enter, and here you can see this is official website. Click here and scroll down, and here you can see you can get free access as well as you can also download the app. So you can scan with QR code and then you can start using this app. So click on start button, and after that you will be redirected on this page. Scroll down, then here you can see login with Google, and here you need to select email. So let me select, then click continue button. So guys, here you can see now we have logged in, and now you can search anything like we need to use in ChatGPT. For example, I want to add here a title on mobile 2025. So I want to generate article for this title, and here I can give statement, please write article include 5 long tail keywords in this article, and also add keyword enable website design digital marketing services. So same process as we used in the ChatGPT. You can also see here file upload option. You can also attach the file and you can do anything. So now click on continue button, and here you can see how fast it is generating content, and also it is adding keywords that I have requested. So its working is very fast according to ChatGPT. So I hope you liked this video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.